So this is 3 months after a 2-level lumbar fusion. We used cages and screws and the rods, and this is the lumbar fusion 2-level. And you've had a slow journey, but it's slowly got there, and you're now standing very straight and upright. Can I see you from a side view? Great. And can you start bending? Doing some bending for me? That's brilliant. Wow, that is, yeah. Okay, good. And then lean backwards. That might be, oh wow, wow, oh.
I can do that really well.
Right, that is really good. Yeah. And then if you turn this way and bend to a side, let's see how much side movement you have. Good. Oh yeah, that's really good. And then walking.
That's fine.
Wow. Honestly, you're looking much straighter.
The only issue I have if I push it too far, but that's because of the weakness.
Yeah.
But that's because of the big shunts.
Exactly. How about the pain?
That's fine. It's literally just because I'm building muscle time.
Are you getting much pain in your back?
No, not like before.
Fantastic.
Not like before, so yeah.
It's all good.